Today I am checking out Branded Surveys. This is an online survey site that rewards members for their participation with points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Registration is free and members are rewarded for every survey they complete. Points can be redeemed for cash with PayPal or for gift cards from popular retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and Starbucks. Branded Surveys is open to residents of the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. They have paid out over $24 million to their members. They have a 4.3 out of 5 stars at Trustpilot with over 50,000 people that have rated Branded Surveys. Alright, let me sign up here. Okay, after signing up, here's what the user dashboard looks like. You can start taking paid surveys right away. Can you really make money with Branded Surveys? For starters, you need to be aware that not all surveys will pay out. This is why it's important to sign up with multiple survey sites. This way, you'll have a better chance of landing a survey that will pay out. In addition, you need to make sure that you are completing the surveys accurately and completely. This is important because survey companies often do quality checks in order to ensure that their data is accurate. If you do not complete the surveys accurately, you may not be paid for them. Finally, it's important to keep in mind that you won't get rich taking surveys. The amount of money you make will depend on the number of surveys you complete and the amount of money that each of those surveys pays out. However, if you are looking for a way to make a little extra money in your spare time, taking surveys is a great option. Anyways, Branded Surveys is a legitimate and trustworthy survey site that allows users to earn money by participating in surveys. The site has a large variety of surveys available, and the surveys are typically quick and easy to complete. The site is user-friendly and has good customer service. Overall, Branded Surveys is an excellent survey site that is worth signing up for. See sign-up links and more details below in video description. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tutorial and reviews on making money online.